So if you are someone like me that has experienced my card being declined online while trying to make online purchases and also while trying to pay for my social media ads, you will understand how frustrating that experience could be, right? But good enough, we now have a solution where we can gain access to a virtual card that works virtually on every site. Okay, now I'm talking about the PST Virtual Card. All right, so with this card, you'll be able to make purchases online on popular websites, and you can also be able to pay for your social media ads. So I'm going to be showing you details of how you can access this card and what you can use this card for also. All right, now if that sounds good, let's get into the video proper. Let me show you how to access the PST Virtual Card. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is how the interface of the website of PST Virtual Card actually looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all you need to know concerning this card. As you can rightly see, it's a card for advertising and personal purchases. Okay, now if I take you down here, let me quickly show you something here. You will see that this card comes with zero transaction fees. It comes with 0% fee for decline payment. It also comes with 0% fee for withdrawal from the card. All right, 0% refund fee and 0% withdrawal fee. Okay, now quickly let me show you where you can actually use this card in terms of you going for advert. Okay, probably you want to pay for your advert on social media. You can see up here right from Facebook down to, you can see Facebook here, you can see Facebook here, down to let me quickly show you this one, to Google ads. You can use this card to pay for your Google ads, your TikTok ads. You can use it to pay for advertisement on so many other social media sites, right? So PST card is what a whole lot of persons are actually using this time around, okay, because of the effectiveness of the card. Okay, and also, if you see here, you can see you can get 100 card at 3% cashback. I think it's actually a very good one. And here you can see best card for anything. Now, whether you want to shop on AliExpress or Alibaba, or you want to pay for your hotel booking, you want to pay for your flights, you can use this card. It works on almost all the major sites and every places that you can actually use your card. Okay, now if I come down here, let me quickly show you something here that is of very good importance, okay, to we all. Okay, you can see no more risk. Okay, one of the things that a whole lot of persons don't know is this: you use your own personal card on online purchases or paying for ads is not too good for you. Okay, the very card that your bank issues to you, that you use on your own personal purchases and all that, is not advisable for you to be using it on virtually all the websites that you transact. Okay, so it's better you get a virtual card, which is what a whole lot of us that have been online over the period of time have been using. Get a virtual card that works. Okay, now that virtual card, like you can see right here, you can use it even on TikTok also. Okay, you can use it on TikTok and a whole lot of other websites, on X if you want to pay for your X subscription and all that. Okay, now 20 plus types of card in USD and also in Euro. Okay, so you have different kinds of card that you can get in USD and also in Euro. Okay, now quickly let me log into my account. Let me show you something here. If you come to the your own dashboard here, so I'm going to be dropping the link to PST in the description. You can just click on that link and you'll be able to register and also have a dashboard like this. Okay, so they actually have two different kinds of card that you can access. Okay, so you can see this one is best for purchases. Okay, this very one that you can see in this orange color is best for purchases, like you want to buy things online on Amazon, on AliExpress, on 1688. Is good you use this one that is on orange color. Now if you want to pay for ads, you can see you can use this other one for advertising, this very one that is having this Facebook logo on it. Okay, so there are two different cards. Okay, and the beauty of it is that you can get this card with as minimum as just $7. You'll be able to get this card. You can see it here, from $7 per card you'll be able to get this card and you can use it for your purchases. Okay, and also for your payment. All right, now let me quickly also show you something. You can actually choose the bin that you want to use for the card that you want. Okay, so if I come down here quickly, let me show you something here. So you can see there are different card bin that you can actually use. You can see cards in private, compare the plans by bin and in each plan. Okay, so here you can see different bins of different card. Now you have the alternative of you choosing a bin that actually suit whatever you want to use the card for. Okay, so you can see they are just giving us the opportunity to different varieties. Okay, so you can see also you can have up to 100 cards, right? If you want a card, you can see it here. If you want 5 card, if you have 120 card or 100 card, you actually have the opportunity of getting as much as you want here. Okay, so you can see the deposit is just 6%, cashback 1% here. So it varies on the card that you're going to be getting. That is what is going to determine the cashback that you're going to be getting on the usage of each of the card. Okay, so guys, I want to believe this one is the best for us to use in terms of our purchases and also for our payment of online services. Okay, so you can just come up here and check out all the information here. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of the video. It's going to be the first link, so you just go ahead, click on that link, and that link will bring you up here. All right, I want to believe you actually got value. Okay, so please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, I'm not your financial advisor, so you can also go ahead and do your own due diligence. Okay, all right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.